Watch this in action and you will know how this chatbot is going to perform all your tasks for real estate business. Either it's showing the property, collecting the data of the users or the clients, or scheduling the site visit or answering all the queries of your clients within the WhatsApp. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp where I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So here I have entered this message and here I'm getting this welcome message which says welcome to Dream Home Reality. Looking for your perfect property? I'm here to help you find the best options quickly. Please choose an option below, and here I'm going to select this first button that is view properties, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the available properties. So now let's open this list and check out some of the properties. So here I'm getting it, so I'm going to just select this first option of the property that is 2 BHK apartment, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the image of this particular property with its all the details, and here I'm getting this button that is schedule visit, and this information also consists of the pricing. Now let's click over the schedule visit, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user, and here I have provided it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the preferred date for the visit. So here I'm going to enter my preferred date for the visit as 21st March 2026, and as I have provided my preferred date, I'm getting this confirmation message which says thank you demo user, your site visit has been scheduled successfully. So now by looking at this message, you can observe that we are getting personalized message. So by the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, you can even send personalized message, and here we are getting our property image as well. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the data of this client is saved over there regarding the visit or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet where you can see I'm successfully receiving this response where I'm getting the same property type which my user has selected, its name that is demo user, and the preferred date for the visit. So now this chatbot is also saving the data of your clients. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp again, and now this time I'm going to select this second button that is ask questions, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which says hello, how may I help you? And now let me enter a random question and check whether my query gets the answer or not. So here I'm going to enter this question that is what are the documents required for buying a property. Now let's wait for the response, and here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question that is can I get home loan? And now let's wait for the response, and here you can see that I'm getting the answer of this question as well. So now you might be thinking how this is happening. So this is happening because I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button that is ask question, which is responding to all my customer queries. So now you can see this all in one WhatsApp chatbot which is providing the images of the property to your clients, adding their data to the Google Sheets, scheduling the visit for them by just selecting a button, and even answering all their queries. And as AI is integrated to this chatbot, user don't have to wait for the manual replies. They can get instant answers to their property related questions or the queries. So now you might have got it that how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot is. So this kind of automation is a game changer for real estate businesses because it helps you to respond faster, manage leads efficiently, and close deals without missing customers. And now that you have seen the real-time working, now let me show you how you can create it. And I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So right here on my screen, you can see inside Pabbly Chatflow, I have already created the flow for my WhatsApp chatbot, which is performing all my tasks. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code now, which is valid only for the yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. Now let me show you the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, and for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow by opening the new tab and typing its URL that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing on using Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, then we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by selecting this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see these both numbers I have connected to my account. And if you also want to add your WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can just click over this add WhatsApp number button. And here we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, then you can select this WhatsApp Connect, and if you prefer connecting with token number, then you can select this Manual Token Connect. And if you want description of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can check the videos given on the description. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to learn more about these features, then you can check the videos given on the description. And as we are going to create a chatbot, then we have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to the flow builder page where for creating a new flow we just have to click over this add flow button. But here I'm going to show you the already built-in flow. So here you can see this is the flow which I have already created, and here we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event or the action which initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot as soon as someone typed this message, that is hello. So here I have made this word as my keyword, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now, as I already have my keyword, so I'm removing this regex from here. Now on your left hand side, you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot like I have done. And now as soon as my user will send me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that I have used this text button node, and for getting the text button node, you can just drag and drop, or either you can select it from this message block. And here I have entered this welcome message for my customers, and afterwards I have created these both buttons, that is view properties and ask questions, by just selecting this add button. And here I'm getting this dialog box where I have provided my button name and selected my button type as quick reply, and here I'm done with my welcome message. And as my user has selected this button of view properties, I have created this list of the properties by selecting it from this message block. And here I have provided this body to my list and provided my section title as property, and here I have added these property options, that is 2 BHK apartment, 3 BHK villa and office space. And afterwards I have connected all these list items with the contact custom field. Now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a column which consists of a particular data. Now here I have selected my contact custom field as property type, means it is going to store the property type which my user has selected. And for adding the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions, and here you will see this node, that is set custom field, which you have to select. And for creating all these contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, and here you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select. And you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, and here you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. And for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button and enter the field name and click over this save button, and your contact custom field will be created. And here I have selected my contact custom field as property type, and afterwards for this particular property I have provided its image and its details. So for providing the image, I have used this message node, that is media media button. So by selecting media button, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. And here I have provided my image, and afterwards I have provided my property details in this text button node by just selecting this add content, and from here I have selected this text button, and here I have created this button that is schedule visit, and for the rest of the list item I have done the same. Now if my users select this button of schedule visit, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that I have used this question node given over the actions. So here I have used this node that is ask question, and afterwards I have connected this flow with the API request by using which I'm going to save the data to the Google Sheet. So by using this API request, I'm connecting my Pabbly Chatflow with the Pabbly Connect. So now you might be wondering, what is this Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool provided by Pabbly which can integrate different applications and automate your workflow. So here on the All Pabbly Apps page, you can see this is the application which I have used, and here I have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect by integrating Pabbly Chatflow to the Google Sheet. So now as soon as I will receive the data in the Pabbly Chatflow, the response will be automatically fetched in the Google Sheet and the data will be saved to the Google Sheet. And if you want to learn more about this process, then you can find the video link in the description. And at last I have entered this confirmation message. And now for our second button, that is ask question, I have assigned this AI assistant which I have got from this action node. So here you can see I'm getting this node that is assign AI assistant which I have selected, and here I have selected my AI assistant as real state AI which I have created, and here it starts with the welcome message. So this is the welcome message which I will send if my users select this button of ask question. So this AI assistant will respond to your customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base which you have provided. So here you can see this is the knowledge base of my real estate business which consists of all the details, and according to this knowledge base, my AI assistant is responding to my customer queries. So you can also create a knowledge base for your business like this, and your AI assistant will eliminate all your customer inquiries and you don't have to type even a single message. And if you want to learn whole process of creating AI assistant, then you can find the video link in the description given below. So this is the simple process for creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is doing all your tasks. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for any business you are running, not only real estate business. And this automation is going to save up a lot of your time so that you can focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks, as Pabbly is there for you. So if you also want to create this automation, then make sure to start using Pabbly Chatflow, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product, because this is going to provide you heavy discounts. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you are stuck in any doubts or challenges, then make sure to enter it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.